Use collection for better organizing your project. Go to collection here and hit plus, add new collection. I will create woman, and then I will add the woman from this asset pack. Select them, right click and manage collections. If you click here, it will add them to collection. Now, when I click on it, you see it finds all the meshes what I added to collection. I will add another collection, man. I will add some men there. And now you see you can switch between these two collections. And also you can add the same model to multiple collections. So I add new collection sitting. Right click on the man here, sitting man, edit the sitting and also the man. So now when I click on man, you see it here. And also when I click on sitting, it's there. You can right click your collection and set color of the collection. And you can add any kind of actor to collection. It can be material, texture, static mesh, skeletal mesh, blueprint. It can be anything.